Good afternoon, student. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Stay home, stay safe. Now, today I'm going to teach you that another exercise. What is the name? Exercise 5. Now, see, here is the very easy. Today, which one I'm going to teach? That one, addition and subtraction. From class 1 onwards, you are doing. Now, the same things I just repeated it again. Here are some review exercises given that will be already in class 3, 4. That these things also fill in the blanks. I want to discuss first. The numbers to be added are called. What is called? The number, those numbers you have to add, it's called the addend. Now see the next number 2. The answer of an addition is called the sum. And to find, number 3, to find a missing addend in an addition, sum the other addend to the sum of the other given addends, it's called the subtracted from the answer. While adding the large number, we write them in which column? That when we add all the numbers, we should not write them in a line wise. Whenever we write the number 55, again when the other number we have to write 40, we should write in a downward in the vertical way. We should not write in beside. So that's why it's the vertical and column and into a place value chart. And the number to be subtracted is called the subtrahend. And the number is which one the order to the number that to be subtracted is called the minute. And the answer of subtraction is called the difference. So now you have to write this all the review exercises, fill in the blanks, question with answer in way, and from the number 8. Just write down in your copy. From number 8, review exercise number 8 to 14 is your homework. You have to do it in your copy. So one thing before I start this chapter, one thing I want to clear to you, that here is directly not written every time that write do the addition, do the subtraction. Sometimes it's written the find out the sum of these total numbers. Sum means here you have to understand this one is the addition. If you write the difference between them, difference mean is the subtraction. So these two terms you have to be remembered. And whenever you have to write in the addition time, you have to write from the numbers, you can write in a reasonable way that you have to get the same answer. But in the subtraction time, which one is the large number? This one you should write on the top, on the first. Then the which one is the less number from the first one, you have to write it down. By this way, you have to be arranged, and the arrangement is very important. Now I'll show you one example. You see the first one, exercise 5, number 1A. How to arrange the number? See, number 1A. First is given 73, 44, 393. Okay? See the second one. 14. Here is the 0, 0. Here is the 0, 1, 5. Now see the third one. 9, 3, 4, 6. So 9, 3, 4, 6. Now the next one. 11,258. So 11,258. Now this, now I arrange it in a proper way. Now we have to add it. Okay, this arrangement is very important. Like the place value chart, where is the ones, 1, 10, 100. In a particular way only, you have to be arranged. If you are doing wrong, the full math will become wrong. Now I have to solve it. First 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 6 is the 14. Now 14 plus 8. How much? It's 22. So here is the 2. 2 in hand. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 5 is a 19. 19 plus 2, 21. Again 2 in hand. Now 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So here is a 0. Now 2 in hand. Sorry, 1 in hand. Now 4 plus 9 is the 13. 13 plus 1 is the 14. 14 plus 1 is the 15. Now 1 in hand. Now 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is the 6. Now is the 4 plus 3 is the 7. And 7 plus 1, 8. Now 87,65,012. So like this way, you have to be arranged and you have to calculate the answer. If the arrangement in such a proper way, otherwise you will not get the proper answer. You have become wrong your maths. Now see, this one is the first one and the first one other snap in the same way only. You have to be solved. Okay. And see the next one, number 2. That is the write the number which is that 16,000 more than, that is here is given 7 crore 29 lakh 43,963. Now more than means add it, so I have to add. More than means, so write fast, number 2a 729 43 963. So again 16,000. So it's the 1,000 place. So 16,000 you have to add with it. Now add both the number. More than, more is the less than means subtraction. Is the more is written, so you have to add it. Now add this number 36995. Now here is a 9, 2 and 7. So again 7 crore 29 lakh 59,963. So by this way you have to get the answer. And one thing you have to remember, if it written more than, more means more, anything more, so it should be add. If it written the less than is the very less one, so is the subtraction. Next also here the sum is given, already is arranged. Number 3, you have to make this all the maths. Number 3 also, that you have to do it by your own, already given, just add it. And number 4 is given the subtraction, only the subtract the numbers. See the number 4 ones, then only the subtraction. Subtract the number from this. So which one is the big number? 1,21,628. Now you have to subtract 24,984. Now you have to subtract this number. Okay. So first 8 minus 4, 4. 2 is the 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 10, 6. Now 1 in hand, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 to 11 is a 6. Now 6 is 1 in hand. Now 2 plus 1 is a 3. 3 into 12 is a 9. Now 9, 1. So this one is the answer. 96,644. So by this way, the subtraction and then another one is given. Find the differentiate. Difference means the subtraction number 5 also. Number 6, subtract the which one smaller greater number. Which one is the bigger one? You have to write in top. Which one is the smaller number? Write it down and do the subtraction. And number 7 also, here is the less than. Less than means all the numbers you have to subtract. Just one thing you have to keep in your mind. Which one big number or the large number? This one you have to write on up in the subtraction time. Which one is the small number? You have to write it down. Should be remember this one. Otherwise, it may wrong this one. But in addition time, if you write this another way also, it can be get the answer proper way. In the properly answer you get, but in the subtraction you should remember this one, because in the subtraction you should need the large one in the upper place. So I hope you have to understand this all the maths, and you have to do it in your home. That all the maths in your to write in your copy in a proper way. Okay, thank you.